Welcome to Under the Microscope. This series is brought to you by the Real Scientists Nano team. Our goal is to provide a platform where scientists can communicate their work and interact with the public.
Hi everyone. Today we have with us Nauman, who is a postdoctoral researcher at the Institute of Science and Technology in Austria. Hi Mohammed, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Excellent. So tell us about your research. Could you explain your research to us in super simple words, please?
Yeah, so basically, I'm studying quantum materials in extreme conditions. And just to tell you what quantum materials are, these are a special class of materials that are described by the principle of quantum mechanics and the quantum phenomenon. These are very dominant in such materials. Extreme conditions, these are the conditions that are not room temperature. We study materials at very low temperatures near to base temperature, which is 300 Kelvin below the room temperature. And condition like very high magnetic fields, we have facility up to 14 Tesla in our group, but we use a high field facility of Los Alamos National Laboratory in USA. They are world record holder of 100 Tesla's magnetic field. And just to give you a feel of how strong is 100 Tesla, so 1 Tesla is the field strength that is used to lift a car in a car junkyard. So just you can imagine if it is 14 times and when it is 100 times, how strong it is.
Wow, that is a lot. And this all of this is happening at low temperatures, like 300 Kelvin below the room temperature.
Exactly. It's very close to base temperature, which is called 0 Kelvin.
The 0 Kelvin. Okay. Wow, that sounds interesting. I want to know more about your research in the long podcast. But for now, what kind of followers expect in the week that you will take over the Real Scientist Nano Twitter account?
So as I said, my research belongs to mostly, it falls into the broad category of magnetic materials. So I'll briefly talk about how I get to where I am now, and why science is so amazing. How it gives you a certain way of thinking. Then why physics is so fascinating in general. Um, what is the magnetic field, and why materials are magnetic, and what different kind of magnetic materials we have and why they are important, how they changed human life. Then what are the unsolved problems in physics, and those mostly related to magnetism and quantum materials, as I mentioned. And then how these breakthroughs in the field of magnetism or magnetic materials, it revolutionized the world, and it also played a very critical role in the transition of the human civilizations. Like we started our journey from Stone Age, and now we are living in a Silicon Age, and what will be the future?
Okay. Wow, there's going to be quite a lot of science coming our ways, quite a lot of interesting science, I must say. So thank you very much, Mohammed. Looking forward to having you on Real Scientist Nano.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for listening. To know more about us, please visit our website realscientistsnano.org and follow us on Twitter at realsci_nano.